Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download research articles from various online journals. Whether it's a paid journal or unpaid journal. So there is a online source, namely a directory of open access journals. From this online source you can download n number of research articles you are interested in. So you can on a screen you can see the the direction and the rules and regulation of this online source, and you can see it's a symbol of open access. So there will be two search button and advanced search engine. From there you can select journals or articles. So if you want to download a article from a particular journal, then that is also possible. You can just go through that. You have to name that journal, or you have to select that journal, and then this site will take you that a particular journal you are looking for, and from there you can download the article you are looking for. So see, as you can see that a lot of options are there: political science, Latin American science, general and history of scholarship and learning, the humanities and social science, history of Asia. A lot of options are there. Science in science section. So here is a search engine. You can search the name by the journal name and by the article name. So here I'm going to search articles related to learning disabilities. So let me check. See, as you can see, a lot of articles are coming up now. See, it will show you the journal name and the option of full text, downloading full text. So okay, the role of memory in dyslexia. It's a article related to learning disability, and this will show you the terms and conditions and the name of the journal. See, publisher and everything will be there. Name of journal, ISSN number, and publisher, everything, every detail will be there. So here the option is abstract, and beside the abstract, full text option is there. There you have to click, and that after clicking, it will take you to the another interface, another site, or the main journal site. This is the main journal site I'm looking for. See, it's the access free option is there, symbol. So International Journal of Education and Literacy Science. Literacy Studies, sorry. So here you can see the download PDF file. The option is there, download this PDF file. Okay, I clicked here. So it got downloaded. See, let me check whether it's a full paper or not. Okay, yeah, it's total 7 pages, whole research paper. Really, it's very useful or online source. From there you can download n number of research articles your interested areas, from your interested area, or from various journals, even paid or unpaid, both. Here two options are there: journal and articles. There you have to click either you want to search by journal name or you want to search by the article name. So, as a PhD scholars, we need to PhD scholar or any researcher, we need to we need to go through a lot of research articles for making our review of literature. So for that we need to access n number of articles. So accessing articles from various journals is not possible. Sometimes some journals ask money for accessing their articles. So from this site you can go through that particular paid journal and you can download that particular article you are looking for. Really, it's very helpful source for all the research scholars. And this site, particularly for me, I have been using this site for a year, and it helped me a lot during my making my review of literature for my PhD thesis. So I really highly recommend this site. You can make use of this site, and you can download n number of research articles, and you can make a good review of literature. So it's a wonderful site for all the research scholars. Okay, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you.